Hey guys, it's Affiliate.Watch here. In today's video, I'm gonna go over the top 5 reasons why affiliate marketing is dying and what you can do about it. This isn't clickbait. I'm not trying to sell you any course. I'm just here to give you the raw truth. The first reason why affiliate marketing is dying is cookies and tracking. And one thing that's really been hurting the affiliate marketing industry the last few years is cookies. So a lot of the browsers out there are starting to limit on how long cookies can be stored in the browser. So this is making it harder to track affiliate sales. Additionally, more and more consumers are using ad blockers and they're deleting their cookies and they are taking their privacy more seriously. So it's becoming harder to track affiliate sales. Some affiliate networks and affiliate softwares have created solutions to this. However, a lot of them still have not. The second reason why affiliate marketing is not doing good is because of shorts. And what I mean by that is a lot of the platforms out there, if you create a short or a reel or a 60-second clip, you cannot add an affiliate link in the description that is clickable. In the past, if you created a YouTube short, you could add a link in the description, but now you can no longer do that. And a lot of content has switched to short form content. So this makes it much harder to add affiliate links and monetize your page or your channel. The next reason is SEO. So Google, every couple months or every year or so, they create an algorithm change in their search engine, and so do many of the other search engines. And they've made it harder and harder over the years for you just to create some blog, add some affiliate links, and rank in the search engines. So now, unless you're a big site with a lot of domain authority, you're simply not going to rank in the search engines. And in this last year, a lot of affiliate sites, their site owners have complained that their search engine rankings have completely plummeted. And the fourth reason why affiliate marketing is dying is because of saturation, okay? Back in the day, about like 5-10 years ago, if you told somebody you made money from affiliate marketing, they looked at you like, what in the heck are you talking about? They did not understand what affiliate marketing is. Now, everybody and their mom understands what affiliate marketing is. And because of that, you have so many affiliate marketers that the competition has become fierce, and the pie is now being spread among more people than ever. And the fifth reason why affiliate marketing is dying, and you're really going to feel this one, is trust. If you search a website nowadays, you're going to come across all these blogs saying this product is the best, this product is great, I recommend this product, and you really don't have many honest reviews out there because so many bloggers and vloggers, etc., are all going to say the product is great because they want commissions. They want affiliate commissions, okay? So because of that, consumers, when they look at these blogs, all they do is see positive reviews, and then when they click the link, they see it's an affiliate link. So the consumer trust in blog reviews has gone down significantly in the past decade because of affiliate marketing. So because of the cookie and tracking changes, because we've gone from long content to short content, and you can't add links in short content, the SEO changes, the saturation in the market, and consumer trust being down, it's became a lot harder to make money in the affiliate marketing industry. So you, as an affiliate marketer, you need to think outside of the box if you still want to make money, because things have changed. It's not as easy as it once was. However, there's still a lot of opportunity to make money in this industry. If you want to find the best affiliate programs out there and find a niche that you can work in, then make sure to check out my website, Affiliate.Watch, where I list the best affiliate programs for free. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.